How to play Roblox on a school Chromebook in 2025. Full guide. Step 1. Check if Roblox is blocked. Open Google Chrome on your Chromebook. Try visiting the Roblox website, roblox.com. If blocked, proceed to the next steps. Step 2. Use the Google Play Store, if available. Click on the launcher at the bottom left of your screen. Open the Play Store and search for Roblox. Install and launch the app. Step 3. Use a proxy website. Open Google Chrome on your Chromebook. Visit a proxy website like proxy site, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. Enter roblox.com in the proxy site's URL bar. Access Roblox directly from the proxy website and start playing. This simple method allows you to bypass website blocks using a proxy server. Step 4. Use a browser extension. Search for Chrome extensions like VPN Proxy or Roblox Unblocker. Add the extension and access Roblox through the browser. Step 5. Play Roblox via cloud gaming services. Go to playhop.com/tag/Roblox_241 and scroll down to look for the Roblox game you want to play. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.